Hello my friends, welcome. This best of has a particular meaning to me. Why? Because when I launched the channel 1 year ago, I made a video about the year 2020 seen from the perspective of my cat Caillou, which was very surprised of the strict confinement that the people in this house lived with. What is amazing in this video is that thanks to my friends, it had been translated in all the official languages of the European Union, and I have to thank very warmly all the members of this amazing team of The Voice of Caillou. For French, Catherine, my beloved wife. For English, Nathalie. For Spanish, a friend called also Daniel, who is a famous writer of novels in Galician. For Hungarian, Catalin. For Slovene, Gregor. For Italian, Francesca. For German, Hochdeutsch, a friend called Eric with a C at the end. For Maltese, Alan. For Portuguese, Gisela. For the German dialect, Schwäbisch, my godfather Gerhard. For Croatian, Marko. For the Sächsisch dialect, German dialect, Eric, another Eric, but this time with a K at the end. For Greek, Antonis. For Dutch, Cedric. For Romanian, the daughter of my friend Andrei. She was 11 years old when doing the recording. Bulgarian, Darina. Finnish, Ada. Ada, thanks a lot. She created also the hashtag Caillou Finnish. For Lithuanian, Mindaugas. For Latvian, Inga. For Estonian, Marika. For Irish, Michael, thanks to the help of Elizabeth, who helped me finding him. And for the Swedish, my last version, Mona. So thanks a lot to all of you. I would have loved to make this year a big Caillou party, big European party, but unfortunately the conditions for doing that were not united. Of course, the arrival of our dog Timé in June this year has strongly perturbated the cats, to start with Caillou herself, because she left the house for 5 months, but no worries, she's back and she's doing perfectly well. In any case, our dog brought me a lot of inspiration, which made that I made a series about dogs on technical aspects, and you will have a full recap of the subjects covered in the video about the first 6 months of my dog. So let's go for the best of animals. little demonstration in the wood stove, which is on the countryside. And before going there, just admire the cat Bianca, super relaxed. They love the heat of fire. That's it, my friends. I hope that you like this best of. In 2022, you will see these animals again for sure. They love hanging around with me when I'm doing the works. In the meanwhile, don't forget that I have other best-ofs, technical images, decoration, the jobs mentioned in 2021, and right now, a very important best-of, which is about sustainability in works. So see you in a minute on Happy Hour TV1.